Hello student, I welcome you all in the online class of General Knowledge. Today we will know how can we take care of our eyes as we are using laptop and mobile phones to study. So it's very important to take care of our eyes. Today we will study chapter 38, Mummy tells about eye care. See, first point, how can we take care of our eyes? Your diet should include Our diet should include plenty of fruits and vegetables, especially deep yellow or green leafy vegetables. Means in our regular meal, we should include fruits, vegetables, especially green leafy vegetables and leafy vegetables. Okay. So all of you open page number 44 in your GK book. See, as I told you, today we will know how can we take care of our eyes. Here, a small story given about a boy, Arjun. Okay, with this story, we will come to know about the problem which children or anyone is having during these days and how can we take care of our eyes. See, 11-year-old Arjun had been working on his computer for several hours making his science project. As we also used to work continuously many hours on laptop or computer, okay, due to different kinds of work. His eyes had started to burn. He is feeling that are burning. They looked red and tired. He sat back on his chair and closed his eyes momentarily for a moment, for a very short time. Just then, at the same time, his mom entered the room. Okay, as you can see, he is resting on the chair and his mom entered the room at the same time. What has happened, dear? You look tired and exhausted. His mom asked him what, what happened to him and why he looked so tired and exhausted. Okay? Then Arjun opened his eyes. Arjun, one should not work for long hours at the computer without taking breaks. Means whenever we have to do work continuously several hours on laptop and computer, we should take gap or we should take rest between. Okay? Staring at a computer screen for too long can cause eye strain. It can cause eye pain and blurry vision. Blurry vision, if continuously we will see computer screen at one time, vision or what is visible on the computer, we cannot see it clearly. It will blur. Blur means not clear. Okay. You need to take precautions for better eye care. Okay. Now, what precautions he should take? See, Arjun replies, you are right, mom. Here it is written it should be you. You are right, mom. My eyes are hurting. Now I am feeling burn eyes. I am feeling burning. Okay. It feels that my eyes are burning. My vision is blurred. And you are right, ma'am. You are right, mom. Whatever I'm looking, it's not clear to me. Okay? means to say that whatever his mom expecting happens the same with Arjun. Okay. Now her mom tells her what precautions he or anyone should take if one has to work several hours on a computer. Okay. See what precaution first one? Blink your eyes often. Rest your eyes by looking away from the screen. How can we give rest to our eyes? For few minutes we should look somewhere else instead of computer screen. Okay? For at least 20 seconds. How much we should look here or except computer screen? At least 20 seconds. Okay? After every 20 minutes, when we should take rest? After 20 minutes. If you are working on computer screen, after every 20 minutes, at least for 20 seconds, you should avoid looking towards the computer screen and you should look somewhere else. Okay? Wash your eyes with fresh cold water after every 2 hours. After every 2 hours, we should wash our eyes with cold and fresh water. Will making them a part of my diet. Okay. Now Arjun promised his mother that whatever precautions his mom has told him he will follow and make part of his diet. Okay. Keep my eyes healthy. He said that to keep his eyes healthy, he will follow all the precautions whatever his mother has told him. Okay? Certainly. Certainly means surely. Next weekend, I will take you to an optometrist or an ophthalmologist. Okay? She promised to take him to an eye doctor. Okay? Optometrist and ophthalmo- ophthalmologist is an eye doctor for an eye examination depending upon the condition of your eyes. Okay? So whatever his condition will be of his eyes, doctor will prescribe him something and he should follow that. Okay? Arjun understood the importance of eye care from his mom. Okay? This is a small story given to you to understand the importance of your eyes and eye care. Okay? Hope you will follow these instructions to keep your eyes healthy. Okay? Listen the video carefully and revise the topic. Thank you. God bless you all.